Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an extension for your income tax return online, step by step. First, determine if you need an extension. An extension typically provides an additional 6 months to submit your return, but it's crucial to remember this does not extend the deadline for paying any taxes you owe. You must still estimate and pay your tax liability by the original due date to avoid penalties. Before you begin, gather all necessary personal and financial information, including your Social Security number and estimated income. Next, decide on your filing method. You can use IRS Direct Pay to make a payment and automatically receive an extension, or utilize tax software. Accurately estimating your tax liability is vital to prevent penalties, even if you cannot pay the full amount immediately. To file online, navigate to the IRS website or open your preferred tax software. Locate and complete Form 4868, which is the application for automatic extension of time to file. Carefully enter all required information, including your estimated tax payment. Once completed, submit the form electronically and be sure to save the confirmation page or email for your records. This confirms your extension has been successfully filed. Remember, filing an extension only grants you more time to file, not to pay. Ensure you submit your complete tax return by the new extended deadline. If you still owe taxes, pay them as soon as possible to reduce potential interest and penalties. And hey, while you're getting your finances in order, why not upgrade your home? Check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.